And welcome back, everybody. Back over here where we were last time, going through some of the stuff with the smart mod. I've gone through and figured out a few more things. I figured I'd do another quick little video here and show you what I've learned. Well, first off, something that's real nice, like I showed with the constructors here. Delete all those. Toss that back in. We can do splitters. Oops. Just check a splitter there. And a merger on this side. Connect a belt between the merger, between the splitters, merger and the machine. And we can copy it over. It'll also copy the recipe as well as all the logistics that you've run. You can just keep extending it nice and easily. Well, you can do something similar with a multi-input machine. So, what you can do is that. Oh, just do that real quick. Bring that up. Well, the spacing offset key, which I've found that you can actually change how it's spacing by hitting the up and down arrows. You can do spacing in the X and Y axis simultaneously, all three axes simultaneously, just the X, just the Y, or just the Z. For this one, I just want Z axis. Bring this up here to 2 meters. That'll give me the spacing that I want for this. And then delete this one, delete this one, delete the belts that are in between. And then we can, oops, use Mark 1s because I don't have the materials for Mark 5s. Connect these up like you would normally. And then let's just grab this real quick. And this. Actually, I'll have it going this way. And out just a little bit further. Run into there. And heck, let's have this one set up doing mark plating. And sample it. And as you can see, it will build the logistics just as you've done it. So you don't have to reset all the logistics. It does everything for you. And just like with the constructors, it will copy the recipe over. And whatever way you have the belts set up to be running, they will be running in their respective directions. Nice quick way of setting up multi-tier logistics. It'll work even with a manufacturer. And from what I've understand, it'll even work with refineries and blenders, where you're using both belts and pipes. So if you set one of those up, Now let's go out this way a little bit. Whoops. Like so. And we can... Let's grab a refinery. Oops. Never mind, I don't have the materials. Let's head over here to the storage bin. I'll be right back. Righty. So, now that we're back here, let's go ahead and grab that. Grab a refinery. Point it that way. Let's do this. I don't have all my hotbars set up properly. Pipeline junction. I want that right there. And then right in line with it, I want a splitter. But I don't want it connected to the building, so I just double tapped shift. I want this to be facing this direction, but I want it up one, and then, oops, that number doesn't matter. I want this in the Z-axis. 2 meters. Then I can just delete this one underneath. Grab a lift. It's a little tighter than what I normally do, but for demonstration purposes. Boom. Just like that, you have all your pipes all connected. You have your belts and lifts connected. All you got to do is your input side, wherever your resources are coming in. Makes it nice, quick, and simple to set up. You could even do the same thing on the other side. Whether you just have a liquid coming out, or if you got both liquid and solid. It's real nice. I like that feature. What else was I figured out? No, that was the last little bit that I was having questions about and was wanting to do a little more research. Oh, wait. There is something else. Doing this kind of thing like this, where you're setting up one machine with all your inputs and outputs all connected and then duplicating it, only works with logistics on the same floor. If you're using floor holes and whatnot, that does not work, unfortunately. Tested that, and it just copies the machine. It doesn't copy all your logistics setup, unfortunately. That would be something real nice to have in the future. Maybe sometime down the road, the devs for Smart might work that into the mod, but right now I'm happy with it the way it is. Yes, there's some improvements that could be made, but this is working a lot better than it did back when I first started using it. So thank you to Alex, the lead on this mod and all the help he's been getting through various means. And if you got any questions about anything I've shown off in these last two videos, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to try to explain it in text. If I can't, I'll throw up another video. Alright. Until next time, remember, have fun.